Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't hit me, dude. Thank you. What are you doing? I guess you're going left then. Alright, good. Hi, I'm not here. Thank you. Move a little faster. Yeah, he wasn't there either. That's nice. Probably shouldn't have done that. Yeah, you definitely shouldn't have done that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that mass hole is going to exit that. Whoop! Ran on the red light. Okay. Volkswagen. Thanks, bro douche. Oh, you look like trouble. Who's gonna cut off who here? Ain't gonna be me, that's for damn sure. Thank you. Fuck you too, dude. See the big arrow there, tough guy? Watch where you're going, lady. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah. Next dive. Yeah. You're a major one. Yeah. Call that next dive, why not? No, hey. You went before it turned green. You couldn't have seen it turn green anyway, where you were. What are you doing? Talking now. There's someone there, dumbass! There's someone there! What the hell was that for? Pull some shit. Yeah, cut him off. It's masshole. Don't like it. Well, how you doing? Shroom. I'm doing 60. Stay in your lane, stupid. Stay in your fucking lane. Asshole, Toyotard. Yeah. Now you move over again. Stop. You had a red arrow, and I don't think that's a legal U-turn either. I don't know, but you had a red arrow, regardless. You were in the red light. That was cut off. Go. Exit dive. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, yeah. Dipshit Amazon. Yes, I see you. Yeah! Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck? He's cut him off again. Okay. Run the right on red. Good job. Alright. How's this for an asshole parking job? You have a teddy bear wearing a surgical mask on the dashboard, too. Christ. Trailer hitch. Don't need that, thank you. Oh, freaking idiot. Go! Would you go and get out of their fucking way? Don't hit me, for fuck's sake. Uh-huh. That was a pass-fail. You're in the red. Maybe? I don't know. Stop. Oh my god, he stopped. What do you know? Are you gonna stop? No. And that's a big fat no. Kind of a cutoff and did stuff with a stop sign. Okay. Lexus. See the yellow line? It's over there. You gonna stop back there? No. Don't hit me, dude. Don't cut her off. Thank you.